Guys, I'm coming to you with another very important crypto update video from Italy as the crypto market is making a very big move. But we have on Wednesday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, some critical information. The CPI data, the inflation data is coming out, and this is going to be absolutely critical for the crypto market and the stock market. We are literally on the brink of a massive breakout or a massive crash. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing what is going to be taking place on Wednesday morning and also what is happening in the crypto charts right now. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Now, if you love cryptocurrency content, consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where yesterday I showed you on the charts that a particular play is happening, and if it does happen, a big move is going to take place. If you just followed what I was showing you on the charts, you would have made money, just like my Patreon members make money every single week. But also, most importantly, let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Do you think with the information coming out, the CPI, the inflation data that's coming out on Wednesday morning, do you think cryptos are going to have a bullish effect or a bearish effect? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So most importantly, let's get straight into the charts. This is the most important thing that we need to discuss right now. So yesterday, cryptos, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, the coins were setting up to make a very big move, which did take place like I predicted. And what we saw, a major resistance level that cryptos were facing difficulty trying to break. But guess what? They were forming a cup and handle like we called out in my video last night. I highly recommend you watch it. And guess what? They broke out of the cup and handle, which is a very bullish pattern. And Ethereum broke out just from the breakout to the top of where Ethereum hit today, hit about 6%, and that is not including the bottom of this pattern. It's not including the bottom where Ethereum was just a couple of weeks ago, a week ago. It's not including that. We're literally just in the last 24 hours, we're seeing 6, 7, 8% move with a lot of cryptocurrencies, and this is very critical. This is very important as the CPI information is coming out Wednesday. Cryptos are pumping out right now. They're pumping up right now. Not only are cryptos going up, but we are also seeing the stock market begin to rally. We did have a little bit of a dip today, which is totally fine, but the stock market is recovering, and this is very important for cryptocurrencies. Let's go ahead and take a look at the US dollar. The US dollar is still bearish. It is still in a strong downtrend, and this is very important, which Wednesday's information is going to either send the dollar crashing or pumping, which either case is going to have a huge effect on the stock market and cryptocurrencies. So here we have it. This article says, has inflation peaked? So inflation expectations, analysts and experts about the economy and inflation are expecting inflation to come down in the month of July. This month is obviously the month of August, so the CPI is always about the previous month. So it is the consumer price index where they measure oil, common goods and services, a whole bunch of things, and they put it together, and it helps them to understand if the prices are going up or down together, cumulatively, if inflation is going up or down. So we are seeing expectations going down for the month of July, where June had a 9.1% peak year over year inflation. So that is still extremely high. That's not even the true inflation numbers. But most importantly, they are predicting inflation to come down. So when investors, as I have been telling you all for quite some time, Wall Street whales, when they begin to see inflation come down and real statistical numbers from the US government, because that's the information that they use to make investment decisions, when they see the information of inflation coming down, they see the data of inflation coming down on paper, that signals to them that economy and things are beginning to recover and that the Fed is going to be less aggressive with interest rates, which means that people will have more money to invest. So I am expecting inflation to come down. It's not going to be 9.1%. The economists are predicting about 8.7%. I think we could probably go a little bit above expectations, maybe 8.8, 8.9. That's my honest opinion. I have no expertise in the economy or predicting inflation to any degree, but that's kind of my speculation. And even if we were to get above expectations, above 8.7%, which is the projected average or mean by the economists that we still will probably have a bullish reaction in the stock market and of course the crypto market, because the Fed, what they are seeing is inflation coming down, which is their goal. That means that they are going to they're not going to have to raise interest rates as much and as aggressive. So that means that cryptos and stocks are most likely going to be pumping, especially the act that was passed yesterday. If you watched my video yesterday, I talked about a huge bill or a huge act that was passed that's going to have a drastic effect on cryptos and stocks, and we did see a bullish reaction as a result of that. And the stock market, the crypto market, still has much time to digest that information alone. So of course, what we are seeing now is cryptos are pumping up before Wednesday, which means maybe Wednesday we're actually going to see a dip or somewhat of a crash or a pullback, because usually what you will see is the whales and the market makers, they manipulate the price, especially leading up to a bearish event. You're going to see crashes. If people are expecting a bearish event, a bearish catalyst, you're going to see a crash before the event. It is usually the event of a bearish event, when it's bearish news, actually causes things to pump up. So a lot of people are expecting things to be bullish, so maybe there's going to be bullish news and things will crash down. I don't know. Things can be very confusing and very tricky. But what we can know in the crypto market is that cryptos are recovering. They look very bullish. And despite any news or volatility that's coming out Wednesday, yes, we could get a little bit of a crash. We could get a little bit of a dip, but we could get also a pump, and a pump is more likely. Cryptos going up is more likely, especially if we take a look at the overall crypto charts. We take a look at the overall trend, which is extremely bullish, honestly, in my opinion. It's very bullish because we just continue to break higher highs and higher lows ever since the 19th of June. Ever since the 19th of June, cryptos have been heading up, and there is no sign of that stopping. This is a pretty decent trend here, which there are, of course, major resistance levels for these cryptocurrencies to face. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, XYZ. We still have another 10 to 20% move for us to really get out of the clear, to get out of the woods, to really confirm that this strong bullish trend is beginning and starting, and it is confirmed. So we still have a little bit of ways to go. Even though we are bullish, we've pumped up a lot, but cryptos still have a long ways to go. And honestly, especially compared to the next several months, in a year from now, cryptos are very far from where they will be, especially with a lot of bullish catalysts that are coming here very soon. The Ethereum merge, we have so much that's happening. We have the XRP potentially going to win their lawsuit. That's going to have a huge effect on all cryptocurrencies as well. So super excited about a lot of these bullish catalysts that are going to be happening for cryptocurrencies. Now, if you want to make money in crypto, I have just the solution for you. And I do all of the work for you with my buy and sell alerts in tier 3 of the Patreon. The link is in my video description, where we are putting profitable trade alerts every single week in the Patreon. If you want to get access to that, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description. I highly recommend tier 3, where you get access to all the alerts and the private trading group, where I have a whole bunch of traders and people talking constantly about when to buy and sell, in addition to my own alerts. So if you want to get access to that, highly recommend doing that. And also, do not forget to claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a crypto trading platform, which if you use the link in my video description, you can get up to nearly $5,000 just by being my follower, depositing crypto over there. You can send crypto over there, send it off, get your free money, trade the free money, build your free money up to however much money you want or can, and get free money. Highly recommend it. And also, if you want to learn how to make 1% to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, I have a course and mentoring program that will teach you all of my investment and trading secrets, how to be successful trading in the crypto markets consistently every single day. So that's going to be it for this video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. I will see you all later. You have a great one.